Hello friends, welcome again at my video tutorial. In the last 4 months I have an opportunity to try or taste 3 different kettles. Recently was this that I bought approx 6 months ago timer, and this timer after 3 months brake stopped working and didn't heat water. So I decided to use warranty and I brought back. And this warranty it should take around 1 month, so I decided buy second-hand kettle, Bonavita. And for 1 month I used this one. And once they brought for me back this timer, after first day what I had at home, break again. So I brought back, I was waiting another 2 weeks, and they already agree with me that either I will change for absolutely new one timer, or I will use this, or they give me voucher and I will use this one for buying some stuff. So I decided to change from timer to fellow kettle Kerga. Thank you to the situation, I had opportunity to try these three various kettles, and I would like to share some experience with this. So if I come back to first kettle timer, I like it a lot. It was very light and much smaller than other, approximately 1/4 smaller, but it was very handle for traveling, as well as lighter than this fellow one. And it was easy to pack and to my backpack and bring with me on some trip or holiday. As well, I like it that it was very easily to set up a temperature, except if you didn't have a wet finger, and after was a little bit harder to slide on this display, or kind of like this touchpad what has a timer. It was very fast for heating water, extremely fast. And I like this design as well. What I didn't like on this timer kettle was this, that when it was sunny or very strong light, I could not see too much on this display. And as well, I didn't have good feeling from these materials. This handle was a little bit shaking in my hand. It was a little bit free. It was not really tight. I don't know if it was this one and other kettles, but I'm feeling that these materials, they are not the best, and it was not the best made. Second kettle, Bonavita, I didn't expect too much stuff from this. I heard more bad stuff around this, but on the end I was more positive surprised. This handle was very nice and it was very comfortable hold. And in my bigger hands, I feel this kettle stable. But I didn't like this material. It was quite, in my opinion, cheap made. As well, it was quite wide and big. It was light on the end, but big, and it was hard to pack and bring somewhere with me. What I didn't like on this kettle on the end was that this heating was much slower than other two kettles like timer and fellow, and as well it was harder to set up this temperature. You have to play with these buttons, and many times when I get kettle out and I wanted to put back, stop it holding this temperature and I have to press again, so it was quite annoying. And on the end, I get this new one fellow, you can see here on this video. And generally, even it's not perfect, but I am the most happy from my decision that I done, that I changed it. It's I think the most heaviest from these all three kettles. It's bigger. It's not too wide like a Bonavita. And setting temperature and dialing, I think in my opinion it's same and even more easier thanks to this button where you can scroll up or down. And you have as well a timer. When I will hold this one for 2 seconds, it will change for timer and start. I have it on my scale as well, so it's not necessary, but sometimes can be useful to have 2 timers. I put it back, then I see temperature, and I like this design, and I think materials, holding and everything is much better than at other 2 kettles. My result is invest a little bit more. It was approx 10 euro extra for this fellow if I compare to timer, and I think 50 or 60 euro more compared to Bonavita. But you have new nice design, but it looks very nice on video, also on photography, and as well you enjoy not only with holding and with pouring, but as well with viewing this kettle, this coffee brewing process. And as well, what you will see, this flow I think has, in my opinion, you have the best control from all these 3 kettles. Even timer it's saying that they have some kind of like special Gooseneck what has the best control of flow, but in my opinion I like it more brewing, pouring water and control this flow with this fellow. Today I will use a timer dripper with a fellow kettle, and I will use 13 grams of coffee, and I will pour approx 210 grams of water, but it's a ratio 1:15. And this temperature I will set up back to it's set up already at 93. And this total time is supposed to be around 3 minutes, but it's depends how it's going. I will just try keep this consistent pour or getting out this coffee, that it will consistently go out and will be not stuck too much with coffee grinds. So my coffee is ready. I will go for a drink, and what I wanted to say, thanks for watching my video, and I hope that it will a little bit help you for your decision, and see you soon. Take care.